up, my Stacker fam? How are you today? Are you good? I know I am, and I think your day's about to get even better because I'm about to show you this pretty badass income stream that you can start building out. And it's all passive. Now, if you stick around to the end of the video, you're going to get to know how you can actually get this up and running yourself and create that passive income. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out all different types of videos showing you how you can start generating some of that lovely moolah from your laptop. So go and hit subscribe and turn on the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Now, let's dive into this. So what is this passive income stream that I'm talking about? Well, it's KDP and Createspace. So that's these two websites. Now, stay with me because this isn't exactly what you think I'm about to talk about. This is something completely different. Now, if you don't know what KDP is, it's part of Amazon. It's Kindle Direct Publishing. So you can publish ebook on Amazon. But you can also create paperback books. Okay, so you don't have to do Kindle, and that's what this is not about. This is not about writing ebooks or outsourcing ebooks. This is something completely different, which you've probably never heard of. Anyway, KDP and Createspace. Now, these two, Createspace is part of Amazon as well, where you can publish your ebook as a hardback cover. So you don't actually even need to print anything or send anything off. It's pretty much print on demand books. Okay, so every time your book makes a sale, then Amazon's going to print that book for you and ship it straight to your customer without you having to do any work. That being said, what I'm about to show you I think will blow your mind, because honestly, when I found this out, this blew my mind too. So this isn't about writing ebooks, writing books, getting a ghostwriter, none of all that jazz. This is about a different type of book where it has little to no content. Okay, so you don't have to go writing books, you don't have to do anything like that, because these are little to no content books. Now, what are these? Well, these are sketchbooks, journals, and notepads. Okay, is your mind starting to get blown yet? I know mine is. So with sketchbooks, all you pretty much need is a cover, front cover, the back cover, and that is it, because it's blank pages, because it's a sketchbook. So this is little to no content inside the book. And as you can see here, sketchbook, a large journal with blank paper for drawing and sketching, artist edition. So there's no content inside this book. So all this creator has done is created the cover, and that's pretty much it. Pretty simple, right? So you can actually make a killing selling print-on-demand books on Amazon, and you don't even have to create any content. That's my mind being blown. When I found this out, I was amazed by this. So if we scroll down a little bit, let's go to reviews. 23 customer reviews, most are 5-star. I think it works really well for kids, but not as an adult. I guess I wanted something unique. But as you can see, this is just a sketchbook. A sketchbook with no content. So let's take a look at another one. So as you can see, this person has targeted sketchbook for kids. It has 110 blank pages, which is insane. So again, they've just created cover, and then that's it. So let's go and have a look at a journal. So as you can see, they've created this. There is a bit more content in this book, so if we actually scroll through, you can see. But again, this is nothing compared to writing a book, and I think most people can actually do this. Now, if you stick around a little bit longer, I'm going to show you where you can actually learn this. But the great thing about these types of books, like sketchbooks, journals, notepads, you don't have to really create any content And once they're up on Amazon and you start making sales, it's completely passive because you don't have to send anything off. Amazon's going to print your book on demand, and then they're going to send you royalties at the end of every month, depending on how many you've sold. So as you can see, they sell this journal for $10.64. Amazon's going to take their cut and then give you royalties every time it sells. Completely passive. How crazy is that? Now, if you're liking this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below telling me whether or not this is something that you would try. Now, as you can see, this is another journal, Big Life Journal, a growth mindset journal for kids. So they're targeting kids with this journal, because that's another thing. It's all well and good creating a notepad, a sketchbook, a journal, but you still want to find a niche to target, because it's going to be a lot easier to rank for these keywords if you're actually targeting a niche. Now, there's so many more examples on Amazon of people making a killing with these little to no content books, and if you have a look around, you will find them yourself. So where can you actually learn to do this, learn step by step on how everything works? Well, there's an amazing course that's been put together which will take you step by step, showing you exactly what you need to do to get this up and running. If this is something that you would like to look into and maybe start doing yourself, then I will leave a link for this down in the description below so you can go through and check it out. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, you can see here, what would you do with an extra few $1,000s every month? Now, these are just examples of some of these books that have been selling. And as you can see, with this book, they've sold 517 in 1 month, and the revenue is just under $5,000. With this book, they've made over $7,000. That's over $7,000 profit, and they've sold over 1,000 copies of this book in 1 month, which is just crazy to think, because they're low content books. So as you can see, you don't need to do paid ads, you don't need a following, you don't need no traffic, it's just low content. So you will never have to pay for writers. If you can write a couple of paragraphs, then you can probably do this. Now, here's some screenshots of, I think it's students or just them. The truth is, if you can follow a simple set of instructions, you can make money just like this. Now remember, this is all passive income. You create the book once, which doesn't even really have much content, and then you can make sales each and every month. Now look at that. They made over $12,000 profit in that book, over 1,000 with that book, over 1,000 again. So, and each snapshot is just from one journal, which is crazy. So here's the steps that you'd have to do. And that's step 1, create low content books. This takes less than 15 minutes with my pre-created toolbox. Step 2, upload your books to Amazon. Inject your listing with powerful sales triggers and rinse and repeat. It is that easy. So if we scroll down, you can actually see what you're going to get. So with module 1, that's a quick start profit guide. Module 2, ready to upload books. Pre-made journal covers, so you actually get these pre-made and they actually look pretty good. Make these in Canva or something like that. It wouldn't even be that hard. Module 4, instant profit reports. Module 5, video training collection. And yeah, this is pretty cool product. I really like this. I like the woman behind it. She's actually been doing this for years. And if this is something that you are interested in, then again, I'm going to leave that link in the description below so you can go through and check it out. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy. This has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.